Right, peeps, hello. I'm sorry I'm late, but there was an emergency in my basement. I tell you what happened in a second. I just need to turn on the voice. Here we go. Okay. Is there a voice? Oh. My headphones are not connected. One moment, please. All right, let's try again. So, what happened? I was just about to start the stream when my girlfriend notified me that there is an emergency in the heating basement, like the boiler room, which was completely like underwater. And first I thought it was like a leak or something, but it turned out there is like a funnel for overpressure overflow valve, and this funnel it's never used because it's never overflowing, and it seems that it was clogged or whatever, and the water was just overflowing from the funnel and spilling on the floor. And that happened because we had a quite hot weather today, and the solar thermal system was probably boiling the water in the boiler. So yeah, that's what happened basically. I need to like unclog it properly. I already did a little bit with a spirally thing, and it was gone after that, but I think it's still quite clogged, so I need like just to remove it. It's a PVC pipe under pressure, yeah. Under pressure, boom, 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 boom. So that's that. Under pressure as well, with this cute little project here. Not only I didn't manage to release my video this weekend, somewhat I wasn't happy with the current state. It's like 90% there, 95. I will release it these days, but yeah, still need to work a little bit. And so the LED matrix was that. I changed the lens from prime lens to zoom. Oops. Let's see. I'm not so under pressure to finish that project, but we can try to finish that. So let me power that up. I will connect it to the USB though, so we have some power coming from here. This is our little thing. Not working. Oh, 10 seconds. We built in the timer for 10 seconds. Here we go. Now it starts. Yeah, we can fix things and reorder boards, or we can do a little bit of code. And the other issue would be that I need to fix either Okay, where is the board? Where's the board though that fell apart? With them connectors. Huh? Oh yeah, I had it under the microscope. Oh, we can check it even. So, yeah, here the connector fell off, and then I noticed, okay, here that serial doesn't work, and I thought PCI Express, that's probably slowest speed whatever, because this is only a serial and parallel chip, wouldn't be that picky, but I don't see any errors here. We can take a look at that, and it still isn't recognized. The board isn't recognized, so the serial chip, I changed the routing, and some people told me last stream that the plus and minus lines are interchangeable, so they don't need to cross, which is really cool. Thank you for that information, and that makes sense. That reminded me of TMDS signaling, and I think is this like in HDMI and stuff? TMDS, the 1 and 0 are only the changes in signaling. So if you have like, if nothing changes, it's 1 or 0. I don't know which of those it is. So if the plus and minus switches the polarity, it's a change in, like, a change is 1, and if it stays the same, it's 0. And then I think after several consecutive zeros or whatever, there is a forced switch, so you don't have like charge up on a line or something. So probably it's working similar way. Manchester encoding, yeah, could be. I don't know the names. And let's take a look at Manchester, but you remind me also of greeting everyone. So hello Sonic, hello Yombo, hello Johnny, hello Yako, hello Fu, hello Basil, hello Holy Flame, hello Peter, hello Nishai, hello Dutch, and hello FFF. PCI Express signaling is black magic. This is so funny, Basil, because I had that in my script, but I kicked it from the current video. This line actually didn't make it into the final video because it was quite long, a lot of rambling, and I kicked the line that it's black magic. We can take a look. You can take a look in the script of the LED matrix thing. Oh wow, that's zoomed in quite a lot. Zoom out already. We can search for it. What is this? Come on. Black. Yeah, black. Black magic. There it is. Yes. The one resembles black magic. I think there might be. Yeah, there was like another line like that. I think this is gone. And I feel the same. I don't want to be in the position to bit bang something like that. And it's not possible because you have to be fast. That not even like, I think we can't even manage to do this with our we can do this for HDMI with the Tang Nanos FPGAs, but I think PCI Express. What's the speeds for PCI Express? Bit rate. Let's see. what is GT? Giga-T's. What is Giga-T? Giga transition or what? What is that? What? Transactions. What? Okay, you know what? You know what? No wonder that my shitty circuit doesn't work anymore. This is why this WCH serial PCI Express serial chip is getting so hot. It's doing hard work at highest possible speeds there. Wow, didn't know. Okay, let me check that. Where is the? No, it's not open. Damn it. Okay. Let me open the project. Cluster base. Yeah, I show you the issues. I mean, I showed it last time. Let's recap a little bit. I'm not feeling stressed about that project anymore. Had a little message, wrote an email to my sponsors that I will be delayed, or at least Colin, who is my manager, and for those cases, let them know that, that this project will be delayed a little bit. Yeah, so this crap needs to go. Okay, I'm putting it. The vias are alright, but like crossing and then, yeah, this is the oh no! When did that happen? I wanted this ground to be connected. Yeah, I lost this connection. Damn. Okay, yeah. Probably having this bit connected here probably would work. And now that's why it doesn't work. I could have possibly just, yeah. Damn it! When did that happen? I could just route it like that and this would be alright. Most probably. Probably not. You look at this. This is also like flipping. Yeah. Need to fix that. We can try a new revision. Doing those signals first and everything, locking it in place and everything else afterwards. Yeah, I don't want to reroute everything, but I also think that the first connector here shifted a little bit. Look at that. Compared to those are like almost flush. There is like a gap here. This one has a bigger gap. I don't know how that happened. So we could even get a little bit more space down here. I really don't want to reroute this. This takes like a whole day to route those things. Okay. Let me check. Where is it? Nope. Cluster base. Let's see the schematic as well, and I want to change stuff here. So what did I want to change? Yeah, sure. This ULN, so laggy. What's laggy? What's laggy? Huh? I'm streaming with 60 FPS. There is no dropped frame. 0%. Uh-oh. Yeah, I got the chips. Basil, you told me to buy those other chips, and I got like, I think, no problems. Yeah, it's local. Wi-Fi died. Okay. Yeah. I got TBD 620383 AFWG. So I don't know if that solves our issues. We could try putting them on like instead of the other one. Oh wait, yeah. There is like a serious power outage there. Super power outage. Hopefully, fingers crossed. I don't know if I want to do it because I wasn't able to program with the other chips. Should we try putting them instead? You said they're compatible with the pin assignment. Let me pull up the. Okay, I have something on my stack still. On my head, there is a stack, and we wanted Manchester. The new AC. Oh, new IC is replacement for the ULM low side switch. We will check it in a minute. Manchester code. Let's see Manchester code. That's basically what. Desktop. Here we go. Pulse encoding. Okay, that's data. So we have a switch. Differential Manchester. Ah, yeah. But this is basically the same. It's synonymous. You have just a change. Oh wait, this is alternating. Oh yeah, okay, wait. Here is a Z. This isn't. Okay, there is the 1. So there is the 1. 0. Huh? Yeah. Okay, let's check that one. Ah, here we go. It's cropped for you. Wait. All right. 0 is switch. 1 and then 0, 1. 0, 0, 1, 1. Okay, it's a little bit different than what I mentioned. Similar. come on. I don't know if signal. I don't know if we get informations here, how that. If you can find anything that shows, let's check images, that's the easiest way. Oh, hackaday. This is what we want to have at the end. An eye. Okay, I don't know. I don't want like to search forever here. But we need to do a better job than what I did before. So, what do we do instead of that here? We could do something different. We can completely remove that individual power on, power off, whatever, and switch it with some multiplexing or whatever. I'm willing to sacrifice the GPIO that we have for an address. But how do we decode the address? I have some multiplexers and demultiplexers for that. I don't know if I want to really to change that, but we have yeah, these are the IOs. Card slot, that's cool. Wait, I simplified that even. Where are the? Come on, where is it? Where are the pages here? Okay, so these are not connected, the zero thingies. Okay, I will check that. Application no. I just got something. No. That's not it. First link? Really? This one? Training overview. Okay. Section 4 signaling. Oh yeah. Reference clock. Okay. You looked, yeah, might have. I don't even notice because I'm colorblind. Okay, section 4. It's a lot of text though. Wake, link training. Section 5. Uh, 10-bit symbol? That sounds like TMDS. Wait, the text, you can read that so fast? Okay. Oh, wow. Okay, I don't want to study that now. Apparently I have already. What is SNLA 4 and 15? Is this just the name of this document or link training? All right. What do we do? Oh yeah, there is about this thing again. This thing. One of the connectors fell off, so I noticed it needs a reflow, and I thought there is no way that I can get in between of those connectors to with a soldering iron to fix cold solder joints, and I have some. I will show them to you because that's interesting actually. Let's take a look at some hardware. We turn that on here. With a white tip, what? Okay, I checked for soldering iron tips. There are precision soldering iron tips, but they're quite often conical. And the issue is they're not long enough. Yeah. So, I will show you where's the soldering iron, because I took it and I checked here. Okay, so look at this tip. It's already very pointy, but it needs to be pointy like this for the complete length. Let me switch to the thing. Is it sharp? Yeah. Now it should be sharp. And if you do you see what the issue is? Yeah, that's the issue. Yeah. Oh fuck, this is sticky. Okay, so what I thought, I just get another of those tips and try to grind it down so it's very flat. There is a knife tip. You can buy a knife tip, but it's not long enough. It is only like half the length or something. So, and let me take a look. I mean, you could already see this one was really cold. It wasn't attached at all. Here maybe, this end. But let's zoom in a little bit more. Whoop. Yikes, that's... It's not parafocal. This lens. Okay, here we go. I need to go lower. Yeah, that's what I was also thinking. That I should just take soda paste. Yeah, no, that will be bridging, certainly. But I will show you. Whoever suggested. Okay, I can see clearly now, and I hope you too. You can already. We can see here that looks alright, that looks alright, that is already cold. You can move it. Okay, you know what I did? I put, this is 130 centigrade soldering paste. I put it on the pads, reflew them, and I put solder paste on the connector as well already. So it will the connectors, because that I had connectors that were attaching alright, and then oh, this is, I need to clean that before I reuse it. And I thought, okay, I need a little bit more solder, so there will be some bridge, same solder, and I basically pre-tinned all the connectors here, hundreds of them. It took me ages. And then I trenched it in flux, so it was completely covered in flux. And then it wasn't enough, because there are like this one cold solder joint, you can see already. These look alright. No, you this is you just don't have the relation what this is. So do you see this dust? This is, you can't even see that with your naked eye probably. It's so fine. These are the tips of my tweezers. So, and the pads here are 0.5 millimeter pin pitch. That are certainly not cat hairs. This is just some basic dust that's floating around here. So these are the tweezers. This one cold. Like half the connector is cold. It just, if the pins are just there, they have like some tolerance, and they're not all like flat. I would need these pads to be bigger, so the surface tension would hold way more solder on top of that. So we can bridge a gap like that. Yeah, these are all cold solder joints. This cold. This one is okay. This one seems also okay. Okay. So these are all fine. But there's like in the center, there's like the tolerance also in the PCB. The PCB, if it's heating up, it's also bending a little bit. And this is like 4 layers. Yeah, I can make the pads larger in my footprint, so that's one thing that I might want to try. The issue with that is if we make the pads larger, you know what happens? This happens. Here, let me focus. Yeah, when I paste it, there will be just bridges. But there is more solder on those. So what I'm thinking right now, okay, yeah, this one is messed up already. What I'm thinking right now is, wait, need to change the focus. Here. All right. So there is like a lot more solder on this try. Look at that. How nicely. Okay, you have no 3D vision here, but these are like really bold. I might re-hit these a little bit and use an X-Acto knife or something, a blade, just to push in between to separate the pads, and then try putting the connectors on there. I mean, I can try with that one. It has a little bit more solder on there. But if there is a bridge underneath the connector, I'm screwed. That can basically short everything or whatever. Yeah. Let's take a look again. If we have some, oh yeah, it's interesting. The camera has a little bit of an angle, so I need to move around the lights over here. Can you even see? I hope you can. So are there any cold solder joints? Yeah, the suggestion is I take some copper wire, and I have this silver wire here, which is probably copper core and just silver on top of that. Connector. Okay. Yeah, we just wrap this around. This is like super thin wire. It's not super thin, it's like 1 millimeter. Is it 1 millimeter? Yeah, I think so. 1 millimeter wire, and it fits in between the connectors here, and I will make it a new solder tip and just wrap this around the soldering iron, because this transfers heat quite well. We tried this already with one time with another project with the LED wall. I still have this contraption here. Look at this. This is our old contraption where we try to heat up solder pads from both sides. Didn't work that well, but I could use that. Other than that, we can check if there are any, if I can see. This is, why is it out of focus? One eye, this is like a stereoscopic microscope, and one eye out of focus drives me nuts. Okay. Actually, this one looks not that bad. I don't see cold solder joints. This one this one here, at least this side, can see. That looks actually not that bad. Here is one. Where are we? Here. So this looks cold. Actually, it's not. So I might want to keep that so we can experiment, because mostly worked. Yeah. Yeah, that looks poor. This one looks poor, but still, I think there might be one or two here. Or is it, which one is it here? Nope. It's not moving, so they are alright. This one. Hot airflow. Yeah, I might try. Actually, it's not that bad. I could certainly try to reuse that. But what do I do when I change the design, because our serial doesn't work here? Oh, 3000 degrees? No, certainly don't want to do that. Yeah, but it looks alright, except for, I think, the last 3 rows of pins. Interesting. Maybe I got sloppy in the end or something. I can fix that row, and I can try fixing the other ones, but the chip doesn't work, so this is the issue. That we can take a look, because I found some bad soldering here as well. Maybe I missed something, and this will work. I can poke the pads around. Ah, shit. Nope. Okay, focus. Hello, who's there? Can't see your name. Yeah. Oh! No, I think this is as well. These here? No, which one? This one? This is the flash, it's optional. What was that? Let me check. Wait a second. This is 12K. Wait a second. Isn't that like a 10K here I am signal? No. No, wait. Oh, this is VCC. This is something else. Yeah, this will be a cap or something. I don't know. I can check. Yeah, this is 1.8 volts, a bigger one this time. So significantly bigger. Shouldn't get 85 degrees. This is the 12K. These were like... Yeah, we can put there like a flash chip and program it to be detected as Looney serial or whatever. And this was, what was this? I think it was 2 caps, because these are the transmit lines, I'm sure. This was
The other stuff was dust. Let me check. We will see. I'm on the hunt for pads that are not soldered properly. But these all look alright though. I had some cold solder joints, not even cold. This one looks odd, but it is connected though. They are a little bit off. I don't know, it's somehow the pins are probably bent or whatever. The most important... Yeah, okay, let me connect the soldering iron, we can touch it up and try again. If that will show up, this would be amazing, because then we don't need to reorder it. We can work with what we have here. Huh? Where's my... Here. I will cool it down to 200 degrees. Wait, 220, because that's 180 degrees spaced on this side. I think most of those are even not used here, so this might be like a parallel port. Oh no, this is soldered. This one as well. You can see the solder bulging. Yeah, these are all connected. They all look alright. This one as well. I think it must be. Yeah, there is solder underneath the pad, the pin. Yeah, they are all good. They weren't in the past, and I fixed them, and it still doesn't work. If you Hey Caspar, grab some tea and make yourself comfortable in front of your TV or computer. Alright, yeah, now all the pads are soldered. I want to check this one here. Look, oh, whoop. No temp solder. Let me check the circuit. If we didn't miss like a crucial component there, a pull-up that says for the reset or something. Oh, Graustreif, hey. I missed your greeting before, or I didn't know that you joined. Alright, so let's test. Isn't that cool that I can that I recognize my regular visitors, viewers, and the resets pulled up down in the IC of the... Ah, nice. Here we go. So let's take a look. we need to flip it mentally because this is a different. Wait, what? Irregular ones. EL. You are welcome anyways. No mirror option in KiCad. I don't know if there is. Never view mirror backside. I don't know. Flip board view. Oh! What? Board view is flip. Ah, come on. Turn off the. What is this? Oh no. That's the 0 ohm. Huh? Didn't I populate this? Oh no! That's why it didn't work! What? But I thought I populated it. No. Wait. That's the power supply for the communication lines. Mystery solved. Okay. One point. I had a polyfuse before there, and I removed it while fixing the other cold solder joint pads. So I had a polyfuse there back in the time. I can prove it. It's probably on the desk still. So I can put it back because I wanted to replace it with a 0 ohm resistor again, because I thought it might be that it get triggered or whatever. So we will put in back. So it might have been the cold solder joints, but I changed too many things at once. So let's fix that. If that gets recognized, you will be witnessing some bitluni original joy here again. Where's my polyfuse? I need to prove to the people that I'm not lying about that. Just bridge it and move on. Yeah. Yeah, over engineering. The issue is I didn't even over engineer it. Okay, I just take a new polyfuse. Here we go. Look at that cute polyfuse. 1 amp polyfuse here. It's so thick. It almost violates M.2 specs. Yeah, the 80 probably not joining us today. Aren't they like? I'm wondering. Oh, damn it. They were asked. People were asked not to use electricity even if it comes live again. So is the cause? Did they find the cause of the issue of the power outage yet? I mean, is it like a hexer? Yeah, we were talking about that. 0% of 0 is 0, so it's super conductive. Officially not yet. Do you think it could be like some foreign hackers? Is it sort of? Yeah, I think it's now. Yeah. Okay, this is reflown. So we to keep it like really cool,
Wait, I didn't record. Oh wait, you didn't see it. Oh no, wrong camera. You didn't see. Okay. Here, just for the camera recording. I added the polyfuse. Look, that's chunky, nice polyfuse here. Let's try again. We might be able to to use this thing today. Okay. So I did some recording with the mini PC for like B-roll stuff. Yeah, it's wait, I need to move it over here again because I have the screen as well. All right, peeps, this will be amazing. Global engineering conspiracy. Oh, we saw thermocouple effect. Yeah, that's true. We saw like this odd behavior with our design where the 0.6 volt drop caused a negative 0.6 voltage that screwed us up here on this device. So electronics are strange. Okay. What? How old can I be in this video? What are you talking about? Alright, so peeps, I hope I didn't we will power it up without this connector. I hope I didn't destroy my M.2 connector on this mini PC while recording the B-roll. Okay, let's plug it in. And hey, Quinn is there. Hello, Quinn. Let's turn it on and see if it blows up. It doesn't blow up yet. All right. I hope it boots. If it boots, we will see it on the screen here. We try VNC. I mean, I can plug it in. Ah! This one wanted to escape. I hate cables that are pulling off other stuff from the table. Oh! No magic smoke, yeah. Great sign. Oh, come on, cables! Look at that. They are pulling everything around. Okay. Yeah, tape. I'm not an amateur. Here we go. This is my magic trick. Just using clamp. Cursed riser card. Oh, look at this thing. I bought also this thing, so we can actually use it outside or whatever. Maybe probe the back or whatever. Okay, so let me log in. Let's see here. Okay. All right. Okay, people. This is the moment of truth. If that works. No, I don't want new wireless drivers. I want. If that works, I eat my shoes. That works. This promise works every single time. What? No! No! What? No! No, not again! I have to. No! 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 I have to eat my shoes again? Oh no! What? Oh. Oh damn. No! No way! Wait, I show you the recording. Ah, this is not the recording. Wait. I don't know. My circuit is terrible, but this thing works. Device is working properly. Oh no! Oh! What? Oh! I thought I need to redesign, reorder. Can it run Doom? Yeah. Ah, sure is. Oh, I'm sweating right now. Blitz sweating here. Oh man, this is crazy. This is crazy. How can this happen? Thankfully, it's all to you. Thank you very much. I wouldn't look at the circuit again if it wasn't for you, chat. I wouldn't look at the circuit again. This is crazy. Wind chip head. Did I, yeah, shoe. I need to eat my shoe. This is gross, peeps. Okay, this shoe has been eaten before. Ah, yeah. I helped. Wife will, yeah. Here we go. This shoe has been eaten before. It is very cozy. It is a little bit gross on the bottom. Leather. It's leather. Very warm. Wool shoes. Probably very common in Eastern Europe and maybe Northern Europe. Very stinky inside. Here we go. I need to record this for Afterlife. Oh no. I need to buy actual like chocolate shoe or something, or ask Tony to bake me a cake. Usually, yeah, it's leather. So if YouTube continues to screw me over with my ad revenue, then I at some point I will cook them long enough and eat the leather with some mustard. Alright, peeps, I need to, yeah, I will shut down the mini PC again and we will solder on the MCU so we can Oh, yes, Basil, we didn't try the new reset circuit yet. Yeah, air fryer, crispy. Oh yeah, it gets some bubbles, bubbly, crispy, like pork skin. Oh, what is it? All right, shutting down the PC. And this is unbelievable. Ah, this is unbelievable. Warning is preventing. Is there a warning? I don't care. Shut it down. Oh no! How is this possible that it needs to be dry? Oh, all right. Okay, this is turned off. I will undo it and we will complete it. You know what would be funny? If these chips work as well and everything works in the end. Oh, that gets hot. That will reflow itself. Oh wow. Yeah. Working hard. The LDO on the bottom. But we will have some quite cool venting. Look at that. How cool that is. Okay, here, card. Oh, it's backward. It's backwards. Peeps, the array is backwards. Here we go. Will be like that. Next card. Oh, this is... I didn't think this through. Ah! Here we go. Here, this is how it look like. A 3D array. Be careful, yeah, I break it off. I even brought a file to file off the mouse bites. Where is it? Ah. That's... Oh. Eviluni earns 2 cents. 2 cents by betraying you. McDonald's. They listened to my ad for shoe. New shoe. Okay. I need an MCU because we need to put it on there. This is so cool. This is so cool that we are actually capable of doing this. Okay, let me move over the camera so we can maybe film something for the video. It's very forgiving, this chip, while it's getting quite hot. It's very forgiving, I must admit that. Do I have like an extra card? I need like an extra SD card. I don't want to switch SD cards all the time. Where's my SD cards? Here, that's a good one. By the way, the comparison with of the new cluster, it's smaller than an SD card. Cool, isn't it? All right. So there is one thing though that might be a little bit harder to do today, and that's, I will switch the camera in a second. Just change the settings so it's not blown out or whatever. Mystery blue bag. Oh, yeah, I can show the mystery blue bag. That's a JLC shipping. We can open. Oh. Oops. Almost doxed myself. No, the camera wasn't on. I switch the camera. Yeah, this one here. That's basically, this is Isla, gold plated, Inik, and this is, what? Flower? What? What flower? Blue back with flower? Yeah, that's basically the same board but in black. So we could, but you can't even see. Yes, yes, that's what I want to do. To compare it like the size, because I'm not having small hands. Or big hands? I don't know. What do I want to say? Yeah, here we go. Wait. This is the programming thingy. Yeah, this is even like different one. I don't know. Yeah, the other ones are here already. So these I already got, but they're like gold, not gold, hustle finish. So yeah, I just keep it with that one so far because we got far on that. It's working. So we just want to get, the only issue here is we have on the big QFN, we can't put it on hot plate to reflow the QFN with the pad in the center. I made it very small. Here, that cute pad. I made it quite small. Wait, where's the camera? Here. Made it small, but we need to hot air it, I think. We will have to hot air that. And I might want to use a bigger hot air nozzle to get the job done properly. Oh no, I don't have a bigger hot air nozzle. Okay, that's the big hot air nozzle already. So let me get the IC because we need the Big Daddy IC here. Where is it? Oh, this chaos here. No. It was in a paper box, I think. This is LCSC. Oh! I found some flash! Maybe that is compatible and we can make it show up as bitluni. So here's some flash, and I think these are also flash types. We can check those in a second. Where was it? It's not this one. These are the yellow ones. Hey! Where did I put it? There is a box. Nope, this one's empty. It's in one of those boxes here. Ah, here. I think this is it. Yes. All right. Look at that. They're like stray inside there. The stray MCUs. I spend a lot of money. Look at that. I just ordered, oh, give me 50 of those. And then just ordered it. And now we it's tipping around on this blob of solder. Can you even see? Do I get you closer? Ah, I will get you closer, peeps. Here we go. Here, so this one is tipping around. I will turn off the exhaust fan and put some of this nasty, because I didn't receive my new flux yet. It's on the way. I forgot to order. I think, I mean, there is still a ground connection, so I don't know, I might want to have it there. Okay, let's update this a little bit. I think I can't even get rid of it unless I'm using solder wick, which I found as well, so I have proper solder wick here for you. I want also to be sure that it's reflown, so I want to have some I want to know that it's reflow. Yeah, I will hot air it. Oh, actually it already reflowed. It's not too much solder because the pad on the bottom of this chip okay, calm down there. The pad on the bottom of this chip is way bigger than what I did there. You just need to align it properly. Oh, it was on 10, but now it's low, too low thing. I will increase the temperature to 250. And I hope the connectors at the bottom won't fall off. Uh-oh. Shifted it. Okay, let me check. If it's even aligned properly. It's aligned. And I will just fix it up now. And that's it. I don't need to do anything else! Ha ha! Oh, yeah, I need some paste here. Here we go. The same temperature paste. Yeah, that's what you need a knife tip for. Okay. Oops. Looks good. More there. The recent episode of Last of Us was boring. Just saying. Spoiler alert. So if you're really looking forward to watching it, don't expect too much. I think this is a ground pad. Still needs a little bit more solder. I don't see if this is good or not. Okay, I would need to clean this up. And see if we are good here. Oh yeah, I also need the other components, huh? We have reset circuit here and yes, I need to check that. I will just clean up and see what we got. With my toothbrush, because with the flux I can't actually judge. You will be judged. Is there like a line from Judge Dredd? A famous line that I could. Yeah. I mean, I didn't saw that the cluster, like the cluster was done by JLC. Toothpaste, yeah. Oh yeah, by the way, the dust, it's also quite often like cellulose from these very, very soft tissues that I got here. It's just for the size comparison, so cat hair is a little, yeah, I see some pads that I'm not satisfied with. So I will switch the camera for you. Here we go. For example, this pad. This one is alright. This one might be alright. It doesn't look very nice though. This might be. It's alright. There's just some gunk on there. But I will refill it anyway. So there are only two pads that I need to take care of. Let me check. Which one was it? This one here. Yeah. And that worked. Okay, that worked as well. Nice! Oh, are you enjoying this stream? Very atypical for me to stream like Friday, Wednesday, Friday, Monday. And today we are info treat. If that works, we can plug in and see some blinking things, and we can try to solder our contraption with the extra long thin tip. Now let me check the schematic or where I have the 0 ohms. Shoot. Yeah, that's true. That's true. Where is it? Here. Cluster base. Okay, we are here. God damn it. Okay, I only want footprints. So what is this? This is 100 and let me guess. 100 and was it 110k? What is this? 100 and everything is 100 and except for that one. That one is 10k. Okay. What else do we have? These are all 1Ks. Yeah, I have a different. I think I wanted to use something else than 1K. 5.1K or something, or 4. Okay, this is 10K. So, let's do 10K first. Upside down, what? Here is 10K. Yeah, but there is no way of soldering pixel pump. We could use it with hot air, but I don't want. I want to use the soldering iron today. Ah, this HDMI cable goes in the center of our view here. What will explode? I don't think anything will explode today. Oh, I jinxed it. Okay, this was 10K, and all the other ones are just 100N, so they're optional. I will sprinkle some over there. Here. Let me sprinkle some. Oh no! Yeah. Just dropped. I might want to record a little bit for a video. Yeah, that's the only flux that I have left, and it's a little bit stinky. Fortunately, I'm soldering only low temp right now, so not that bad. It can't be good if it's too stinky. Some of those caps are probably not even needed. Alright. Wait! Oh, I forgot this part. Alright, this is only this part. We need some resistor ladders for the pull-ups. So the 16 pull-ups for the bus. Where is my Reichelt box with the goodies? My Reichelt goodie box. Green slugs. Eh? Oh, it's down there. Alright, I have some options here, my friends. We have 10K, 300, 1K, 100K. Oh no. Wait. $1K? Yeah, I can't do 10K. 10K will be too slow. Ay, 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 ay. What resistor value should we use for an open collector pull-up? 10K seems a little bit too high, but I also don't want to use 1K. 1K times 16. Really? I would love to use 4.7. Okay. 4.7. Yeah, that's what I would like to use, but I don't know if I have any. Uh-oh. I mean, I can always switch them up later, but if I have some, let me check. What do you mean drive? It's not driving anything except for a signal. What is this? Oh, that's 47K. I am 45. I don't think I actually have anything else at hand. Oh, what is this? 100 ohms. Okay, we won't use 100 ohms. There is another one. What is this value? Also 1K. No, 1K is not Not high enough. Alright, I put 10K on. If it's too slow, it's all your fault. I mean, I know from the first cluster project that 10K was too slow, but the traces 10, yeah, I can scope that. There is no way I can scope anything on this device. I could, yeah, I don't know. We can see. Yeah, the traces in some they're way shorter, so the inductance should be way lower, or capacitance. This is like quarter of that capacitance and inductance. Yeah, it will be inside quotation marks. Oh yeah, yeah, that's correctly oriented. If you're asking yourself here, there is a mark and there is a small arrow on this side, so this is all right. No worries with that. Add a blob. Boop. Oh, are you coming to my stream on the 1st of May? But I'm not sure if there will be. If I'm invited to like having a bonfire or something. We could do a bonfire stream. What do you say? It's quite warm this week. I mean, the warmth even caused a leak in my home because there was like this overpressure valve overflowing. Oh, there's some burned gunk. That was a second leak. You know what happened today as well? So we were washing with our washing machine, and then also Tony came to me and said there is water underneath the washing machine again. Last time the issue was, I think, the tray was overflowing because there is like old gunky washing powder or something. And it might splash over sometimes, or it was something else, I don't know, but it didn't happen again. And today so yeah, so the issue was today was that there was water, and it was a lot of water. Like it was really seriously overflowing. And I checked it, and it looked like the door was leaking because there were like splashes in front of the door. It was really strange. Everything is sorted alright here. Oh shit. I'm 45. Told you already. Okay, here we go. So yeah, the door was basically like the door would be not properly closed or something. So I thought maybe there is a sock stuck between the seal and the glass door. You know, like European style washing machines, they have a glass door, like not the top loading ones, like in the US, but they have like a glass door that you close, and there is like a rubber seal around that. So my only explanation that I could see is that there was like something stuck in between this seal, like a sleeve or whatever, or a sock, so it would leak, not properly closing. So here we go. Need more. This one is a little bit, oh no. Okay. It adjusted itself. Central of Germany. Oh yeah, these are resistors. They're like, you can swap them around. Like there's no direction. It's not diodes or anything, not active components. It's just passive components, some resistors in parallel. So there is no issue with that. Where's my wick? Because I like to use the wick now. Eh? Where is the wick? Okay, work without the wick. I just put more on here. Okay, good enough. Check something. All right. Next issue. Oh yeah, we wanted to do this stuff here. More of the reset circuit part. Oh, I found my wick. It was stuck to my sock. Let's open the window because the fumes. I have a filter, but I don't trust that the active sock wick. Yeah. This is unbelievable that the serial actually works. If we can solder, like also solder the bad connections on the other side, this will be amazing. Too much solder in the socks? Yeah. All right. Oh wait, what is this? Oh wait. Oops. There is another 10K here. So not only here, but for the reset circuit we need the 10K, the UMH. This is a diode. Big one. I don't even. What is this? 100K. Oh damn. Very challenging here.
And I think this is all part of the other stuff. Yeah, this is part of, but we can solder this on as well. That's 100 nano. I don't know if that's on or not, but this is the diode. Should be some symbol there. That's 100K, UMH 10K. Simulation? I have no simulation whatsoever. What? What are you talking about? Ah! That's another 100K and that is 100N. Okay, so we have 100K, 100K, 100N, 100N, UMH, and oh yeah, the simulation, you mean that's an online tool. You can just take the link. I think I even... Yeah, I know, I used that bomb. I used that plug-in before, but I'm too lazy to set it up again. I forgot my tablet also at my in-laws' home. Unfortunately. Oh wait, was this 100K? Yeah. No, this is 10K. 10K, we need 10K. 10K, then... Oh, we even have two caps here. Totally okay. Yeah, the simulation tool that I was showing, I think, even like in one of the videos recently. That's like an online tool, and I put the link to the tool or the simulation because you can paste, someone can paste a link. It stores like in the URL, it can even store the complete simulation, so URL encoded stuff. Okay, let me just... I need some flux here. Okay, flux. Give me some flux. Give me some flux. Oh, I just don't use flux here. Ah! Thank you for notifying. Ah. Fluxy flux. Sharpy sharp. Yeah. Focus, focus. Dun 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 dun. I should solder the UMH beforehand. A remote control stream, yeah. Switch the camera. Just do it. Alright. Ah, come on. Too much soda. Wait, I can just try to split like Moses. Here we go. Can split the soda like Moses. UMH, I have some here, and I have also a diode. Diodes are here. I hope it's a proper Schottky or whatever. Oh, that's too big. I hope that fits. Ah, might fit. Where's the UMH thing? Microfarads thing. I installed the 100K and the UMH. UMH can be also flipped around because it's symmetrical. So, but I will respect the symbol on the sign here. And solder it correctly. So small. Oh, bitluni died. Uh-oh. Okay. Now. Yeah. Will it blend? Damn it, this is too big. I have to find something else. Can't do that. Fun. Wait, I just use one of these. That would be funny. I actually should have one. I should have plenty though. I should have a complete reel of those. Wait, I have some here. These are interesting. They look certainly cool. What is this? K-tag. Oh no, this is a resistor. Oh, that's also a resistor. This is a power resistor. Nope. I thought these were capacitors, but these are power resistors. Yeah, diode is a little bit oversized, but I have the issue with that is it's dropping the voltage, and I need like precise voltage. I thought about this already. To just use an LED in place there. We could still simulate it though. Wait a second. Should we simulate it? We can simulate this. Bend the legs, but then we will be out of specs. Basil, help me. Where is our simulation? I need to go to our conversation. Might be too high. Yeah. Where is it? Oh yeah, is this our last? Here. Alright, I have this. We can even shorten the URL. Wait. Here we go. This is the tool, by the way, the simulation tool. You can just use the link. So let's see if we can even make it an LED. Just switching that. Oh wow, it's German. Aktive Bauteile. Diode. No, we need. Achtung! Damn it, I can't find. Wait. Where is the LED? Digital chips. It's somehow mixed German and English. Somehow I think they have like only half a translation here. Type L. It's a red one. But if I replace it, it will probably not work. I really don't want to mess around with our, like, add more variables here. Ah! Ay, okay. And reset. It's 1.9 volts. Okay, that's all right. And reset's dropping. That's high. And reset DTR. Okay. Boot. Then we have open. Oh, we need simulation. Stromgeschwindigkeit. We need. Fuck. Wait, we have boot 0 is at boot. And reset. Oh wait, this is now. This should be also. Boot 0 should be. No, this is wrong. This is reset. Yeah, no, that doesn't work with the LED somehow. I don't know. I don't think this works. Because we should have both here boot low and boot low. Yeah, doesn't work with an LED. And reset threshold is. Yeah, let's not mess around. I will find a smaller diode. I even have some. I need to move away here because that's. Is it here? Yes. I have some 04 or 2.
Oh, wait a second. What is this? Oh, 10K. Resistor arrays. I didn't know that I own some. Okay, this is 5.1. 37 ohm. Ohm. 100K. Okay. What's this? Ohm. Only resistors. What? Yeah, we'll use the big one, but I really wanted to use proper resistor value here. I mean a proper sized resistor. Where is it? LDO. Yeah, that one works like I want. NPN, nope. Oh, wait a second. 25 megahertz crystals. Yes. I might need those for another thing that we might want to try, because I found, peeps, I would like also to try something else, and a different chip, and that's an PCI Express to USB, and I couldn't find the one that you suggested to me. Which one was it before? We had on stream one chip. Can I find, where is this? No, this is not that. I found one that seems to have a good driver support. PCI Express. I can find it. Not using LT Spice, no. I'm too lazy to do simulation. I simulate in the real world. Because the probability is very high that we are in a simulation already, so why bothering putting just another layer of simulation in there? You can get a very precise simulation in the real life. Power line. What is power line? 30 ohms. I have no clue. Hey, Terran! When was the last time you visited us? You missed all the good news today, because all of the sudden my project works, thanks to chat. I had small I found some diodes here. These are those cylindrical ones. That might be easier to solder, even though they are not smaller, might be easier to solder already. UMH again. What is this? ULN 2803 Darlington arrays in QFN. What? I ordered like for thousands of dollars parts from LCSC. I didn't even know that I have those. ULN to an in QFN package. Why am I using those big ones? No, we know that they don't work. So, but these are cool parts that I have here. What is this strip? Some series. Yeah, I can use that. We will just solder it on. No worries. All right. I will use these here. It worked, but not in my application. Thank you for assuring me. Oh wait, you want the camera swap? You get the camera swap. Here you go. Here you go, my friends. Inventory management tree. I could check if I have some here. I have more diodes. These are Zener diodes, diodes. Yeah, no, that are only big ones. Wait, this is smaller than the other ones. Zener rectifier, diode, Schottky. Oh! No. Same size. I have my everything organized here, but I should also put the. Oh, what is that? Look at those old crusty Polin thingies. Are those diodes? How do I find out? I need to focus that. I can't see a marking. Right. What is this? What is this part? I think I might have gotten that from Poland, so let me cut it off, but I wouldn't like to use it because I have no clue about the characteristics of whatever component this seems to be. Yeah, this might work. This might work. Wait, this is the pad. This is not the pad. This is the pad. Wait a second. This could still fit. What are we doing all the time? Yeah, that might be easier. Is this the right way around? Yes, it is. Is it? Can you see even? Here. Looks odd. Hope that works. This one is even bigger. It looks so small and it's even bigger than that. Wow. So crazy. Crazy girl. I can't hear you. Maybe TTS is gone. If you're writing anything, I can't hear you. I didn't hear anything. Test. Send me a message. Message to chat. Ah, yeah, it was that. Thank you. Ah. Here we go. It worked fine. We have not. This is cool. I need to record this. We have this diode. Even though the other one would fit, this was easier to solder because we can bridge underneath that just fine. Yeah. Oh, which one was 100K? There was 100 nanofarads and 100K. Which was 100K? Okay, this is ground, so this must be the diode. The cap. If not, we will check soon. I'm too lazy to check now. Because I hate it. These are like very finicky small PCBs and they don't fit there. I don't want to mess around. It's aesthetically not pleasing to have like messed up labels on there everywhere. I just want once I'm done with placing everything, I just want to move on with my life. I will put this on. Oh, where's my cap? I lost the cap. It's gone. Huh? Is there a stray cap anywhere? That looks gross. No, I lost it. It's gone. I'm very wasteful just because I have several thousands of those caps here. Huh? Ah, here. This one. I would really love, that will be like the last step, to get the flash on and program the name. Yeah, they're not tented wires, that's why they also, I think, they have like, they clip the labels or the silk screen they clip it even like 100 micrometers from the wire, so
There is no way of having like very densely populated areas. I can show you an example, by the way, where I put a label and wasn't satisfied with the result. I mean, this one isn't very densely wired. It's densely populated, but not as densely as what is going on? I don't have enough solder here. Here you go. Ground plane. Alright, now we need 100K. Ah! Ah! Ah, where is 100K? We have 100 ohms, 2, 4, 10, 1300. That just reminded me of those auctions, livestock auctions. Very annoying, huh? If you're trying to relax. You just want to see the reset circuit working. This is so amazing that if that everything works, we should maybe try even completing this board. And we have one more hour or 1.5 that we can just 1 ohm. No. What is this? 33K. This is 10 nanofarads. This is 10 ohms. Yeah, 10 ohms. This is 4. I show you the readability. It's on this matrix. You can see the readability of the. It won't be printed on top of the wires. It's clipped, certainly. It will be printed if they're like plugged or tented wires, like on JLC. Sometimes you get that. I think they put it, but not Isla. Isla have, like, it even leaks if you try to solder. What is this, by the way? Oh, red LEDs. Few thousand red LEDs. Where's my 100K ohm? Opening this. I have 100K ohm resistors, no worries. I just need to find them. It's 1K. I don't have a resistor book I should buy, but I have like currently stopped buying anything. Oh, that looks like a 100K. That might be it. Let's check the label. Oh, no. That's inductor. Oh, wait. Hey, Carl! Are you here? That's 100K, look at that. Yeah, that's 100Ks. I got some here in my shelf with other resistors, so. Alright, so 2 100K ohm resistors, please. Yeah, not very open sourcey, huh? Oh yeah, I wanted to show you an example what it looks like if you try to put any text on the PCB.
So, here you go. There was an L too close to the border of the PCB. It's gone. So it's uni. There is an S clipped. Lunis M.2 matrix. Look at that. There is a via. Half the M leg is gone. Tricks. The R is gone. Lol. 1.0, and that's 1 millimeter font. So just for your size comparison, any label there would be very hard to place. Not on this one because we have plenty of space here, but usually I'm just annoyed. Zero ohms. Yeah, that's. You have always to die one death, huh? Okay, I just stole some old crust. Come on. I need more. Ah. I just leave it like that, I don't care. Alright. Now let me check again if we got the right places here. The flash. I would love to see the flash working, but one thing at a time. Yeah. I have gunk everywhere. Crystals. Oh, that was some flash. No, that's not the flash. That's the low dropout regulates. What? It's the EEPROM. Oh, really? We can't just put like flash on there. There is a list of compatible flash. There is a list of compatible flash chips, isn't it? Oh no. So we can't put like just a random flash chip on there. Is there a list of compatible ones? No. Can we salvage it from somewhere? I must just buy it. I just order it online or check in my parts because I might have everything somewhere here. Salvage it. It's a quite common one. Yeah, just an old PCB like mainboard or whatever, and find that chip. Salvage it. I certainly should have some stuff like that somewhere. Yeah, let's concentrate on our task. Winbot, yes! I no, this is yeah, I had a bath today, but my hair was similar greasy. Wait a second. ESPs, because I kept some broken ESP chip, ESP 01s, maybe. Yeah, I have even like the ESP D1 minis, or they are open, they're not even canned. Not D1 minis, yeah, wait a second. We have something like that. Ah, that's cool. Okay, thank you that you reminded me of that. Because we can just take one off. The ESP1 modules. I have broken ESPs where I burned something. The flash certainly will survive that. I can find it here. Where is it? Or I will sacrifice unexpected makers boards. They use D1 mini and they are not canned. Wait a second. Here is one. No. Oh wait. Oh, it's it's I2C, not. Okay, what do we need? SPI flash, not EEPROM. I2C. Do we need? Look at my SPI. Peeps, you're killing me. Okay, let me check that. What's the part number again? 24CO2. 24CO2. Okay. So that's an ESP. 25Q. Yeah, that's SPI. They all use, yeah. Win bonds. This is one of mine. Are you sure we can't use? Are you sure we can't use one of those? Oh wait! I have an idea. Dave Darko gave me... Yes! It says... Okay. Dave Darko gave me... Dave Darko gave me a simple add-on. He made a simple add-on with a Corona COVID indicator, which has an I2C memory chip on there. We just need to find that one. But where did I put all the funky flash chip. What capacity? I don't know. Big enough, certainly. I don't know. It will be the right one. Here we go. Yes. Yeah. For science. For science. Here. COVID-19 AG. What chip is that? Reveal yourself. Oh, it's in 555. That's the wrong one. Huh? Ah, that's the wrong. Wait. Must be another one. Here, this one. It's this one. This one has just the memory on the back. Oh, that's a shitty soldering job. Where did I do that? Is this the right one? ATM. Is this the right chip? Might work. Okay. Okay. I need Dave. P-ROM. Okay. Dave, I'm so sorry, but for science, we need to salvage the memory chip and put it on the new board here. Wait, it won't fit. Never mind. It won't fit. For science. Yeah, but it won't fit. It doesn't fit. Ah, shit. Doesn't fit. Nuts. Yeah, I need a smaller footprint. Arg. But I'm not doing that. Crappy soldering anyway. But it's so funny that I remember. I have some more flash chips. I need to. Okay, I have an idea. I will be back in a second because I have more. All right. I brought some stuff. Okay, so I have some dev boards. I have plenty of old D1 mini extension boards that have different functionalities. What? Bigger addressing. People are experts, you find out. I just solder on an micro SD card there and be good. How about that? Isn't that a great idea? I know there is a list of compatible chips. This might be one. No, motor shield. SPI, but it has also an I2C mode, doesn't it? Or is this all only SPI? What did I do with so many USB 2 sockets? Damn it. Battery shield. Battery shield. There is one ultra low power shield, motor shield that might have storage on there. What is this? Oh, this is a recording device? That's funny. That stores our audio and plays it back. But I don't know. This is like two whole components on there. Oh! Here we go. There is another of those chips. So that might be one of those chips, but it's too big. It's all the big footprints. Okay. Certainly not those footprints. But here are my components. Let's just probably switch camera to you, to my face. There we go. What is this? Adafruit Alti-R 390. No. Here. Oh! That's spare components. We can check at those. These are spare components. Even bigger diodes. What is this? C22. Oh, that's a fat cap. 12 megahertz. Bigger diodes. Selective access. What's this? ESD. Button. Oh, I know when I did this RP. What is this? Oh, two color diodes. Sweet. RP, this power over Ethernet stuff. It was so bad with the part shortage. Some serious scumbaggery going on there. Yes. Adafruit, what is this? Adafruit TSL. Nope. Okay, let me check those chips, but I don't think, no, they are way too big. They are all the same size. I have just to order order the memory chip. So this is something we can find it online, and then I will just buy it. Okay, let's buy it. Let me check the data sheet. We are sidetracked, huh? Seriously sidetracked here. PCB 328. Here we go. Okay, 24. It's S. Yeah, it's I2C. Yeah, Arduino. I have small ICs, but I could actually do that. Yes, with similar footprint. But I will just order it off eBay and will be there in 2 days, so we can continue. Oh wow. Here. That looks like the right one. 4 euros. Damn it. Scam. Let me check. Germany. Oh. Here. That will be, it's 20 times. That's $5. Shipped. Yeah, this will be shipped like within. This is also $5. We can check. So that gets. Oh, voltage. Oh, sweet. Yeah, but you have to pay $5 for shipping. Oh wait, let me check that. High volt won't work. Where is I can't find the. Can't open it in my. Damn it. Where's my streaming window? Here. Okay. I will open the Amazon thing. $17, yeah, dollars, that's America. Or Canada. No, that's Canada, yeah. Let me check if I can get this. Yeah. What was the name again? No prime option. I get it in 1 month. Thank you, but no thank you. Yeah, that's all China. This is all China. China. Prime. Yeah.
TO package. Yeah, there's nothing there, peeps. Not Amazon, please. Okay, not. And we have here 20. That's cool. I mean, it. Usually it's just shipped within 1 day. They don't say when it's shipped. Oh yeah, 9th May. Okay, this won't work. 3rd May, Saturday. Okay, that's also slow. It's probably because 1st of May is off here. TS sub. We can also just get Reichelt or something. Privat. That's privately sold. Brief. Yeah, no. Samstag, okay. Reichelt only have Zeug. Ah, they are so behind. Communism, yes. Yeah, Mauser, $20 shipping, thank you, but not thank you. Okay, look at that, Friday. I can just buy that. This is including shipping. But that's only one. What? Out of stock? Yes, it is. That's the smallest one. 2.5, it varies even with voltage, but this is like, yeah, shipped. But why is there like a range of 1 week? So strange. Lieferung zwischen. Can I? Nope. DW. DV40, yeah. I think I will take, I mean, I can do, this is too long. I just take this one, 2 wire, wait, that's one. Message is via brief, it's also the same. But 100% positive rating, 800. The dude is selling his stock. It's probably hobbyist. Yeah, Klarna is quite. I think it's a Dutch payment. Loan service. No, yeah, buy now, pay later. But they do everything. It's like PayPal, but Dutch. I like to have like multiple ones. Okay, you know what? I will just search. Oh, I liked the shipping from. They were fast. eBay was faster, but TME was also was good.
Swedish, really? Okay, sorry, didn't mean. TMC was also fast. Shopping. Or, come on, product. Can't even find. Where is this? Plus what? What's the shipping? Good quality, add to cart. Okay, let's... Where is this even? Check out now. Okay, let's get 3. No. Yeah, no. Thank you, no. This is... Why can't I just get... Okay, I just buy from this dude and be good, okay? We buy that. If it arrives, it arrives. 20 pieces. I just buy it. And be good. Klarna. No. Visa, PayPal. And paid and all that. I hope that dude sends tomorrow and I get it on Wednesday and everything will be fine. I might even find it in my basement tomorrow. Alright, it's bought. And we will have some nice labeling. Oh, now that we were sidetracked. Yeah, we wanted to check. We wanted to check. Initially, I worked down my stack. We wanted to check if we got the right order here. Was this the 100N? Yes, it is 100N, and this is the 100K. Everything's all right. All right, let's wash it and test it. We still need to short maybe the pants, but I will. Oh damn, I'm totally drunk because my compartment, my ultrasonic cleaner is open all the time. With the alcohol is evaporating into this room. And now we will just cook it for a little bit. Klarna is Swedish. So, moment of truth, Basil. You're curious if that works. I'm even Polish, so. I could sustain that. Nah, I am old. Not very resistant to stuff like that anymore. There was a time where I salvaged components. I might even check if I have some. Maybe on an old PCB, like on a main board, there is one of those flash chips. EEPROMs. You are old. No, I am old. No, I am old. single grasshopper. Grasshopper is with gin? Amboid, what? Father is a seasonal drink. Oh, wow. Yeah, grasshopper sounds like something that what I would drink. Let me check. Not encouraging people to drink alcohol here, but upper drink. So mint flavored after dinner alcoholic drink cocktail. I think they used SPI flash because it could go faster. I2C is limited. Yeah. Oh, yeah, we can check here. There might have been some information on the two-wire serial host interface, EEPROM device similar to 24COX can be connected. So it can be any 24COX we can this is going extra steps. We just ordered the ICs. You don't want to go crazy here. Five. Let me check. Oh, they even say XX, so it could be any size. Vendor ID. Took action first. You don't believe that? It just writes to any address then. Okay, peeps. Moment of truth. Let's get it out there. You know, I'm a person who acts first and figures out later. Now we will figure out if our reset circuit is working. Do you want to check with me? We need to stick to that for now. I used what the smallest possible package on in KiCad, so that's it. Oh, there's a bridge. Not that nice. Let me remove that. How did we miss that, or just forgot about it? Oh, really? Oh, wait just 1 minute and see us testing how we program it. If I manage. Oh wait, I found a wig. So let me use the wig. We can, if you stay just for 5 more minutes, I just need to boot up the mini PC, and then we will see if we can program it. Yeah, that was strange. All right. "50 more minutes." That's a stretch. I hope we don't need that much to. Yeah, you need to brush your teeth and come back. You need to drink your tea, brush your teeth. We're just booting the PC now. Here we go. Here we go. Really, only 5 minutes to destroy everything. Have another tea, yeah. That's not so much tea because Kaspar won't be able to sleep anymore. Okay. And another. Here we go. Camera feed. That's so cool. Midnight tolerance. Just because of me. Then you can check on the stream if you're awake again in the night. Oh yeah, me too. Tomorrow editing day. I hope that it will be the last possible. I want to release something this month, really. We had streams like that. What was it? The longest one? 16 hours was the longest stream so far. Oh, I can smell the alcohol here. Isopropyl alcohol. Okay, connect to socket. Here we go. All right. Moment of truth, peeps. Okay, let me record that. It didn't blow up yet. Let's check if it's detected. Still, device manager, it struggles, probably running updates in the background. All right. Yes, it's still there. All right. It's still there. Then we do oh no, that's the matrix, the draw tool. That's not what we want. What's the in circuit programmer?
ISP my drive, I think. Was it there? Where's the programmer? Where did we put it? Risk. Risk V. Let me check that. No. Ah, come on. I don't know where did we... Where is the programmer there? Wait, I might have it open and... Yes! It's still open here, so... Where is it? Oh, it's on the. Okay, yeah. I switched the views. It's running on this PC, so it's running here, and I just need to get the right IP address. What IP is that? Okay, our IP is 21. Five 0 1. What do you want from me? Damn it. I just want the address. I don't want to search for it. Oh. There is an L, not... Okay. Your browser does not support... What? Oh no, local host. Okay, I need to run it locally. Online version, does it support our new reset circuit? Can you give me the link, please, to your online version, or is it like the from the GitHub? GitHub. Let's do online version then. Okay. I'm still recording. Oh no, this is... I need to start a new and delete the old one. Okay. So, let's try. Moment of truth. Moment of truth, peeps.
What? It works! Wait. It worked. It worked. Yeah! Yeah! It works! Our reset circuit works. I hope it works. I mean, it works. Otherwise, it wouldn't be able to read the configuration. Okay, I don't know if we can put it like if it runs now. Ah! Oh wow, reset circuit works. Alright, I don't think I will... But you didn't have to give it... Oh, so that's not good. Oh, yeah. Yeah, Kaspar can go to bed, but... Oh, give DTR... Okay, let's try that again. If it runs, I don't know if it runs. With DTR... Yeah, I used it. Maybe the checkbox is... Oh, you need to check if it's always used. Okay, Kaspar, there is a success. We can read the configuration. It communicates at least. I don't know if we can run it though. Yeah, so I don't know if we can if it runs. We would need to. Okay, we can prove it, but Kaspar, you can go boo-boo. Boo-boo means sleeping in German. We can try to cluster base or whatever, and oh wait, we can m.2 matrix and program it with serial, so we can connect over serial and see if it's working. Let me copy that. Bye bye. Good night, Kaspar. See you next time. Okay, let me copy that. M.2 cluster base. Base, here we go. We copy that. We will see serial terminal. We will program it. Oh, yeah. Stop recording all the time. Oh, and I can the noise in the background. I can just remove that as well, so I don't need to shout. But it's crazy that it works. Oh, I might have a project. Crazy face. I recorded this. Now it's too quiet. Oh yes. I recorded this. This is a madness here. Now I can... I'm sore. Maybe from the fumes here. Or horse. Horse. How do you say it, horse? It's not like a horse that you can ride. It's the horse. M.2 cluster base. Okay. Then we need to change. Oh yeah. Horse. So the horrors. Horrors. Horse. Horse. hoarse voice. Okay, let's practice together. Hoarse. Hoarse. Pronunciation in English. Oh, look at this! Horse. 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 I have it in my ear here. Horse. Sounds exactly the same. Not how. Huh? Sounds like how. Okay, wait. I put it on the main speakers here. On the main speaker. You tell me the difference, okay?
Horse.
Okay. That's a sore throat from speaking, shouting, being sick or whatever.
Horse. Horse. Horse.
Wait. Horse?
Horse.
That's the same.
Horse.
Horse?
Horse.
I'm riding a horse throat. It is? Okay. Okay. Mystery solved. I don't need like to do stretches with my throat or overthink it. It's just horse. Slam stable in disappointment. Yeah, if I have a horse, I need a vet. Alright. Okay, mystery solved. Cluster based. We need to... Oh yeah, I compiled it. Back to my stack. Very educational. Wait, it didn't... I wanted to clean... build or rebuild. Okay, we need to rebuild because we have now a new name and it's a new blobly blob. It's recompiling everything, and then we will do a serial. Okay. Show blah blah blah. Usart config. Oh yeah, usart config is there. Type GPIO. I don't need anything here. I don't need anything of these things here. Opala. Yes. And then I just need this here, and I will do this over there. Boop, boop. And we will do printf. Yoo-hoo! It works! This is as old as my channel. This sentence. Yoo-hoo! It works! One of the old memes where I just made Arduino sampling tutorials. Was the first month of my channel, peeps. Really old school stuff. Okay, oh yeah, new line here. Butter, yeah, that's 5 years old, somewhat. The butter, butter channel and buttering up everything here. Flash configuration, here we go. We need to browse cluster base object, cluster base, apply and close. And now we need to program it. So this is configured. Now, okay, let's choose the file. If I can find it. Oh yeah, that's even object. object cluster base object. Here we go. Flash right. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. It doesn't work. Okay, interesting. Maybe I need some debugging. At least Caspar can sleep with a good conscious. Strange. It can look at that. It gets response when retrieving the info, what? And then it doesn't timed out. Yeah. Why does it die here? 3 reset. Okay. Identify, read config. It receives the configuration. Reset. Starting new session. Identify. Oh, wait. This is the new one. It dies after transmitting those bytes. Why though? Read failure. Oh, I know what happens. This is probably a fast operation, and here we have like a capacitance. It might be that the reset circuit just like switches the state in the middle of this operation, but it's not really. It would be strange that this works all fine. I mean, it even like, no, it does more than that. It even does like some reset here, some soft reset. So between this and this, there is some time spent. Okay. It's strange that I can read the configuration. Oh. What if boot 1 is in the wrong state? Because that determines if we are... No, wait. The target, if it's flash or whatever, sounded like my grandfather. Yeah, I'm quite hoarse. You are communicating. Okay, because there is like a state, maybe boot. Oh. I don't know.
Trausteif, did I see that right? Did you hook the reset circuitry? RTS and it's not CTS. DTR is the DTR and RTS. Might they flip because they might be flipped right now? I don't know. Maybe it's like a wrong state. Yeah, it's strange. It might work because it's always in the bootloader. Basil. It's in the bootloader. Okay. So what we got here, it resets, but why does... So read config works. Operation failed. Now we have a quick response. Huh? Key generate, flash verify. End session. Oh, it's odd. The board hot? Yeah, the board is quite hot. Oh shit. The board is really hot. It got into verify. Yeah, but let me change that. It was elf. Okay, hex. That will fail if the chip is blank. What do you mean? Do I need to program it first with the link key or what? Really? Because that's true for the matrix. Is that expected? I don't know. I thought there is a bootloader. Oh no. Ah. Alright, then we need to program it though. I thought we were able to program it like the first time. There is like what... Oh, you mean that. So it failed to program. So maybe the voltage is low or what? Too low. Solar bridges. Sanity check. IO. Yeah, might be. It's also getting quite hot. I don't know, maybe the voltage drops and then the flash doesn't write. If you have like around 2 volts, it might not write while it's still running. Okay. I don't want to verify, I just want to flash it. Oh! It worked! Okay, it worked. Might be an issue. I have no clue. Yeah, I have no clue. It's odd. It's odd. It might be 100 kilo ohm resistors. I mean,
weird stuff going on. Yeah, maybe I have like to put the actual more active components on there for the reset circuit. Doing it with the passives might be a stretch. Okay, moment of truth. Yeah, it's cooking, or I don't know. It needs some buttering up. Okay, let's go real term here. Oh, wrong. Never goes into the, it doesn't read anything. No, reset circuit doesn't work. It never goes into the state. It should have. Yeah, I need to fix that. Damn it. We should see. Oscilloscope. I should just boot and write stuff. I won't do any oscilloscoping today anymore. I'm working already for over 12 hours today, so I'm not doing that. We have Wednesday for that. How about that? I'm not sure if there is like some like bonfire or whatever. I might be late, or I will check with. I will announce the stream around 6 o'clock if it happens on Wednesday, because it's first. No, is it 1st of May? No, Wednesday isn't 1st of May. We have Wednesday stream. I take everything back. 8 o'clock Wednesday. I'm streaming. Thursday, yeah, Thursday is 1st of May. So I'm taking off maybe, yeah, to have like a hike on Thursday, and I see you on Wednesday. And now one last thing that I wanted to check. What was it? This month, yes, because the video is almost done. I will prove it to you. Let me start Resolve. The matrix is the bar night for you. Oh, Johnny. Let's see. Maybe there is another stream on Friday, but I might also want to do slow after the streak. Oh yeah, right. You can watch it on your phone from a German bar. Here is main. Okay. This is the main timeline, and I show you what's missing still. Here, this is like 200 cuts. Yeah, this is basically. Yeah, you can see because it's multi-screen. I would need to move that one over as well here. Ah! No, now the timeline is. Okay, so this is the video. I have only a few gaps here.
Just need to fiddle. The ESP chips have a similar functionality, and they are basically abusing the serial control flow pins RST and DTR to put the
RST, RTS. Uh-oh.
If I was able to upload the firmware and control it from the browser on any operating system without...
There is a not time-lapse, yeah, montage.
Right. What I didn't consider is using the placement indicators for the mouse bytes. Using
I have that footage, I just need to put it in. And all this stuff here, this last gap, is just the results. And the results are not cut, they are just here. So only a few things. Certainly on Wednesday at least there will be a video ready. At least that one. But why this doesn't work? Oh yeah, I wanted to check the codes. Last thing for today. New video hype, yeah. I don't know if it's so great. It will certainly be a summary what we did on the LED matrix. Where is my... Here, Moon River. No, that should be working. Enable, that's does. Mistakes, RTS, RST. Uh-oh. I will just swap the syllables. RTS, RST. I did stuff like that in the past. Pronounce something wrong and then I can't re-record that word because it will sound different. I'm hoarse. Didn't init the USART. What? I did. It's here. USART config. It should be working. It should just be working. I can do the other USART, but this is certainly... No, I could do a delay or something, so it isn't like super spamming. I will debug stuff. I will just let it cool down because it's getting really hot right now. Well, I show you the camera, the thermal camera of that. It will be nice to see. Having the matrices on there will certainly help to get off some heat. Like yeah. Look at the glowing 66 degrees C. This looks cool. This is like red hot. Yeah, that's the serial chip. And LDO. Yeah. And yeah, that's just... Yeah, that's the heat is coming from our badly matched PCI Express lanes. Alright, peeps. That concludes the stream. Sorry for clapping while you're using headphones. I'm very happy with the results for today. And I'm looking forward to Wednesday's stream. I will try to fix things and prepare things, and then we can do some coding. Good night, everyone.